Donald Trump Tower is one of the most iconic skyscrapers in New York City. Standing tall on Fifth Avenue in Manhattan, it represents a unique combination of luxury, design, and history. From its construction to its cultural significance, Trump Tower has become a symbol recognized around the world. The tower was completed in 1983 and was designed as a mixed-use building. This means it houses luxury retail stores, office spaces, and high-end residential apartments all within the same structure. At the time, this concept of vertical multi-use living was very innovative and represented a modern approach to city planning. From the outside, Trump Tower is covered in reflective dark glass with bronze-colored accents. This not only gives the building a powerful and sophisticated look, but it also allows it to change appearance throughout the day, depending on the sunlight and weather conditions. The exterior reflects both the surrounding cityscape and the sky, making it a dynamic part of Manhattan's skyline. Entering the building, the most striking feature is the grand five-story atrium. The atrium is designed to be a public space and is open to visitors. Inside, polished marble floors, golden-toned walls, indoor waterfalls, and carefully placed greenery create a sense of luxury and grandeur. The lighting is warm and inviting, designed to enhance the elegance of the space. Visitors often spend time simply walking through the atrium, enjoying the design and architecture. Photographs are commonly taken here, as the atrium provides a perfect visual representation of what makes Trump Tower unique. The lower levels of the building contain luxury retail stores and cafes. These spaces attract both tourists and locals, providing a blend of shopping and leisure in one elegant environment. The variety of shops and dining options reflect the tower's status as a high-end destination in the heart of Manhattan. The upper floors are private and house offices, as well as luxury apartments. The residential spaces are designed for privacy, security, and comfort. Many of these apartments offer incredible views of the city, combining modern design with functional living spaces. Residents of Trump Tower enjoy a lifestyle that combines prestige, convenience, and proximity to the most important areas of New York City. Over the years, Trump Tower has appeared in numerous films, television programs, and media broadcasts. This has made it recognizable not just to those who live in or visit New York, but to people around the world. Its appearance in popular culture has reinforced its status as an iconic landmark. Architecturally, Trump Tower represents the bold, confident design trends of the late 20th century. Unlike modern minimalist towers, it embraces warm colors, luxurious materials, and a sense of grandeur. This intentional choice creates a strong visual identity and sets it apart from other skyscrapers in the city. The building also serves as a hub of activity connecting commerce, tourism, and residential life. The combination of retail, office, and living spaces allows the tower to function as a self-contained microcosm of urban life. It is not only a place to live or work, but also a destination where people come to experience the atmosphere and elegance of the structure. Trump Tower reflects the ambition and vision of its creators. Its construction required careful planning, significant investment, and attention to every detail. From the foundation to the finishing touches, every aspect of the building was designed to project a sense of success and achievement. Culturally, Trump Tower has become more than just a building. It is a symbol of luxury and aspiration. Many people see it as an example of what is possible in modern urban development. Others view it as a reflection of a particular era in American architecture and society. Regardless of perspective, the building has a lasting impact on the city's identity. The history of Trump Tower is also tied to the broader development of Manhattan. During the late 20th century, New York was evolving rapidly. Skyscrapers like Trump Tower helped define the skyline and set new standards for urban living. The tower demonstrated that it was possible to combine multiple functions, residential, commercial, and public, in a single elegant vertical space. The construction process itself was a feat of engineering and design. Advanced techniques were used to ensure structural integrity, while the interior design focused on creating a welcoming and luxurious environment. Every detail, from the choice of materials to the layout of the atrium, reflects careful planning and an emphasis on quality. Inside the building, the combination of natural light, indoor greenery, and reflective surfaces creates a dynamic and constantly changing environment. Visitors notice different moods in the atrium depending on the time of day, making each visit a unique experience. The tower's residential apartments offer a lifestyle that is unparalleled in New York. Each unit is designed with attention to detail, offering comfort, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. Residents enjoy easy access to shopping, dining, and cultural attractions, making the building not only a place to live, but a hub of urban convenience. Trump Tower has also played a significant role in business and politics. Many offices within the building are occupied by professionals and executives, creating an environment of high-level networking and activity. The building has been a site for events, meetings, and public appearances, further cementing its status as a notable landmark. Over the decades, the tower has witnessed New York's changing skyline. It has stood through transformations in urban development, economic shifts, and cultural evolution. Its presence has been a constant, reminding people of both the city's history and its aspirations for the future. Today, Trump Tower continues to attract attention from tourists, residents, and professionals alike. Its unique combination of luxury, design, and location makes it a must-see destination in Manhattan. Whether one is interested in architecture, urban life, or cultural history, the tower offers a multifaceted experience. In conclusion, Donald Trump Tower is more than just a skyscraper. It is a symbol of ambition, luxury, and modern urban design. It combines aesthetic appeal with functional spaces, providing a place to live, work, and visit. Its significance in New York City is undeniable, making it a landmark that continues to inspire and impress people from all walks of life. Thank you for joining us on this detailed exploration of Donald Trump Tower. We hope this journey has provided insight into its history, design, and cultural importance.